Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your OUKITEL OKT1. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then Cameral. Those are 3 pictures that I'm gonna pack. Select all the files like that you want to unpack, click on this plus button, and that way you'll be able to change archiving options. Here you can change the name for this archive. I'm gonna collect pictures.rar. And now you can set the password for the archive as well. Let's do it very simple, 123. If you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can always show the password or encrypt the file name as well. Click OK to save that. Let's close the keyboard, and here you can change the extension, so you can make it zip or RAR. You can delete files after archiving or create solid archive. In advanced, you can change any advanced settings, and in the options there's more options. In the comment you can leave any comment about this archive, and after everything is set, click OK, and that way you'll be creating pictures.rar as we named it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.